Hello everyone, today we have a 2013 Hyundai Veloster Turbo. This is a 1.6 liter i4 engine and front wheel drive. This is a zippy little car. I'm going to go ahead and put this down so I can take it for a tour. Have LED surrounds on those headlights. Does have a sunroof, and those are wheels, not hubcaps. Dual exhaust. See the turbo branding right there? Now it actually does have a very big trunk. There's a shot of the interior of the back and front seats. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. Here's a shot of the van. And the back seats have pinhole leather. Absolutely love the blue accents in these leather seats. When you hop in, you see that you have 115,038 miles. Go ahead and turn this down so you can hear me better. There's your stereo. What you see, you have AM, FM, then you can add other media from your phone, and you have XM. You also have CD. Coming down here, you do have heated seats. There's your push button start, power supplies, and also your aux and iPod connections there. Here in your center console. All right, then we'll just go ahead and open up this massive sunroof. So, absolutely love it. What would Veloster be without a sunroof? Okay, and this vehicle does have a clean title. There we go, everything's caught up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.